In today's video, we're going to look at how to use the glossary page on NACHI.org. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to NACHI.org/glossary. Once here, you will be able to search for any terms that are included in the InterNACHI Standards of Practice. If you want to browse the glossary alphabetically, as you'll see here in the left side, you can click on any letter, such as R, and it will narrow your search down to all of the terms starting with the letter R. If you have a specific term in mind, you can narrow your search down over here on the right side at the search for glossary term. I'm going to just type in vacuum, see what pops up. As you can see, all the terms that start with the word vacuum pop up. There's only one term. If you want to search for a word in the span of definitions, you're going to want to toggle your search to search glossary terms and their definitions. As you can see, this is where the word vacuum pops up in the Standards of Practice. And that is how you use the glossary on NACHI.org. Thanks for watching this how-to video. Have a great rest of your day.